Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn legal language. First, begin by understanding foundational legal concepts and their precise definitions. Many legal terms, like contract or jurisdiction, have very specific meanings that differ from their everyday usage. Familiarize yourself with common Latin and French legal phrases, as they frequently appear in legal documents. Always utilize legal dictionaries and glossaries for accurate meanings, ensuring you grasp the exact context of each term. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong understanding. Next, immerse yourself in practical learning methods. Regularly read legal documents, news articles, and case summaries to see terms in context. Actively listen to legal podcasts and watch educational videos to improve your comprehension and pronunciation. Create flashcards or a digital glossary for new vocabulary, including definitions and example sentences. Finally, practice explaining legal concepts in your own words. This reinforces your understanding and helps you articulate complex ideas clearly. To advance your comprehension, focus on how legal terms function within different legal contexts. Identify the precise role of specific words in contracts or statutes, understanding their impact on meaning. Engage in discussions with peers or legal professionals to gain diverse perspectives and clarify ambiguities. Writing short summaries or memos on legal topics is an excellent way to apply your knowledge, forcing you to organize thoughts and use appropriate terminology accurately. This active engagement deepens your learning. Sustaining your legal language skills requires ongoing effort. Continuously update your knowledge of evolving legal terminology, as the law is dynamic. Seek feedback on your legal writing and communication from experienced individuals to refine your precision and clarity. Consider exploring specialized legal English courses for targeted improvement in specific areas. Remember to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Consistent practice and a commitment to learning will ensure your legal language proficiency grows over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.